Hi guys, welcome to Budget with Lizzy. Today we're unstuffing our 100 envelope challenge. So exciting. So exciting. So we're gonna unstuff it, take it to the bank, all that good stuff. And if it's something you guys would love to see, stay tuned and here we go. So I'm finally finished with the unstuffing. It took a little while, so that's why I'm going to speed up the unstuffing part. But next time I do the $100 challenge, 100 envelope challenge, we're going to try to eliminate some of the small bills. So we'll go up with the number. So 4 will get $5. It's like that. 12 will get 15. I'm going to try to do that instead of having all these singles. So now we're going to count to see how much I actually saved, because some of them, they probably an extra 100 or so more than the amount it should be. So I have our calculator ready, and we're going to do the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Decide to get the small bills out of the way first. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 40, 49, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Ooh. So 150 in singles. Let's just write another little piece of paper for now. So singles 150, fives 5, 10. Let's do it 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's 100. 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So 285. Oops. Tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. So 350. 20s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. It's 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50, 50. Oh, shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So that's $3,040. And we have 150s. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1,200. And it's a grand total of 5,125. You can see that. I'm going to stop the video for a second and recount it again just to make sure it's right. And I'll be right back. So the amount was actually right. So this is going to be taken to the bank deposit so I can pay my Discover credit card. So we saved 5,125, and I'm so proud of myself. Like I said before, I wish it was going into my savings and staying there, but life is what it is. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, enjoy watching me and stuffing all this good stuff. And I'm trying to limit all the small bills next time. And I hope you guys are having a good day, good weekend, all that good stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye.